Another night in the shop, working on the wrecker. Shawn's over tearing pieces off the old fenders. I'm tearing pieces off the old fenders. Whatever pieces off the old doors that we're going to keep, which really isn't much of anything. Might take the mirrors for now just to keep us in a safety perspective. But yeah, we got a mess going on here right now. Things are going good though. So we just got to get this thing with some inner fenders back on it and some batteries into it so that we can make it move again. We also found some issues down here on the rad support as well. Good size repair to do there, but we'll get her. So we're just running the MIG welder on low, doing spot tacks in order to get good penetration, but I don't want to burn right through. The metal here is kind of thin, but it's all still solid enough to work with. So now it's really hard to see here. It was hard to get in and get good footage, but what we're doing is just adding metal to the original rad support in order to be able to carry the load over past the body mount. Okay-ish with that. For what it's gonna do. Southern boys in the States would throw that shit out. So we found some old material that actually worked really well in this circumstance, and we got it fitted up quite nicely here now. So right now we're going to get into grinding it up, prepping it for weld, and it actually made a very good bottom support for this because there was nothing holding this up, and it was actually sagged down on the driver's side quite a bit. We're at something right here. Alright. Once we get a couple tags on it, we'll stiffen it up though. What's that?
Want a heavier set?
I'm going to. I'm just going to get this tack back here. I just want to keep it.
What is that, channel? Oh, okay.
How's it coming? Honestly, better than I thought it would. So really what the deal was here was I was originally only going to pull the tow truck in to put the doors on for the winter, keep the snow out. And then once I ripped the doors off, I realized that now's the time to do the inner rocker on the other side and the rocker on the other side. So tore the fender off, needed to tear the inner fenders off. I've already had all these parts. So now we're into putting them on now, which isn't a bad thing. We need to get the inner fenders back on it at least in order to put the batteries in and be able to move this in and out. The new shop will make a big difference on that. I'll just be able to hopefully just bring it right in instead of having to work with space constraints. I figured I'd give you an update on why I'm doing all this right now. It is a bit of a rush, but at the same time I don't want to be doing this in 2 to 4 years. I'd like this truck to last at least 10. I'm doing everything I can to keep the Canadian rust off of this sucker, so we'll see what happens. Until next time, thanks for watching, Buzzy.